on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
Boy Jay Cruz getting on the AUDIOZONE here inside the Viper today, man. Taking her out today to get alignment, man. I did rack and pinion the other day on her. She was leaking, and can't have no leaking oil when you're running a car. So I took her. I made an appointment to bring her in this morning to get her alignment done and get her situated. Hold on, let me get you some light. To get her situated, man, you know what I'm saying? To get her running right, because right now she's pulling everywhere in the steering wheel. So I come down to a place in Bedford and we'll get it done. Stay tuned and we'll show you the process of getting the alignment of the Viper done. Alright, crew, so I'm here at the tire shop, man. It's a tire store in Bedford, Texas. Got the Viper sitting right there. I just got her in to get the alignment set up, man. I had an 8 o'clock appointment to get this done because this pull is like changed the new rack and pinion in front of the vehicle. It changed the way that the car is driving, and when you're doing high speeds and you're doing things like that with a car, you got to make sure that she's aligned right. So I'm about to get on the lift. Let me go inside, talk to them, and get this car going and get it situated for the alignment. So I got it all checked in and ready to go. They got a Mercedes-Benz on the lift over there. And after that, I'm gonna have the Viper pulled in and get the alignment done on her. So, I mean, for y'all that don't know, an alignment will keeps the car's tires straight, keeps it from wearing on the inside, keeps it from wearing on the outside. It makes sure that the tires are running straight. The way that it's supposed to be. When I did the rack and pinion and you remove the tie rods, I eyed it the best that I could, but it's not the same thing as having a computer alignment done. So I came into the shop here today to get this done and get her right, man, because I got some races coming up that y'all got to stay tuned for. There's gonna be some big races. We got a Plade that wants to run me. We're gonna run with him. We have infamous Booster Lucky out here. We have a rerun after his full build, which he has 411 stroker, whistleblower, fuel systems, weight reduction. You guys know who Booster is, man. He's really fun and really fast guy. Good friend of mine. But we have a race coming up now, so we are getting everything situated to make sure the car runs right. But this is the Viper, man. This is what she do. This is how fun she is. And she is definitely a great car. I got a set of tires that I'm gonna introduce y'all to today too in this video. I got my drag set up for the back. So I got 2 different tires for the back. I have a 888R on a 19, and I also have the Toyo RR drag radios on an 18 4-star wheel that go back there. That's gonna be the ones I'm gonna use to run, and I'll show you those today when I get back to the shop. But I gotta get her all situated, get her ready to go so that she could do her job correctly, because I don't want to blame the car if it's not the car's fault. If it's something my fault, I want to make sure I take responsibility of it. So she's here today to get the alignment. We should be out here very shortly. Guys, so we're here right now, and the Viper is on the lift, as you can tell. She's going up, getting ready to get her alignment done and get herself situated, because she needs this alignment done, and this is very important. But she's already up there ready to go. I can put her on the lift. Now they can start doing their work and get her situated to make it do what it needs to be to get the Viper alignment done.
For YouTube.
Just like that, the machine is activated. Right there. I'm excited, y'all, because this is all stuff that's necessary, so I'm very excited to get this done. I've never done this since I've owned the car. This right now you're seeing is the front steer head. This is the alignment. He's working on the front of the vehicle to get it all to be perfect. But you can see that the car is very, very off right now. So he is adjusting the toes and getting the cambers done and getting all this stuff situated to get the car aligned. That's the master technician working on it here, man. Check him out at the tire store here in Bedford, Texas. I'm gonna let him go back to his job, y'all. Stay tuned. And just like that, the line is getting done. looks like.
Yeah, and another one you see here in the red.
That's the cam.
The middle. The tail rod is both is on.
So we got a problem with the camber, the caster, and the toe. Everything's off in the car. Y'all can see this right here. This man knows what he's doing, man, but he's gonna get it adjusted, man, and get it right. So we'll have this very shortly, y'all. I'm just gonna give y'all a glimpse of what's going on with the Viper. Just like that, the alignment is done. We just finished going for that ride, got the car situated, she's running good. Gave you a little bit of footage, giving him a little ride, a little hit on the car, man, but we are done here at the tire store here in Irving, in Bedford, Texas, man. I'm always saying Irving for the shop, but the Viper is aligned and she's ready to go. For now, we're gonna go mount the tires up. I'm gonna show y'all phase 2 of what we're doing on the Viper. So I have these tires here that very well suggested to me. I ordered them a long time ago and they came in. They're the Toyo tire, but it is the Proxys RR. These are going to be an 18-inch, so it's definitely a smaller rim than what I have, but it's supposed to be a good tire. So I'm going to get those in there, and I'm going to get those over here with the 4-stars, which I'm going to show you guys here. But this is my 4-star racing wheel, and it's in a gloss black. That's where I'm going to be mounting these tires on to see if we can have some grip, because that guy who owns that bed over there is always calling me out. So we'll see what happens enough to get them down. Stay tuned. Just mounting and balancing these tires with my son. I'm going to show you exactly what they are, what it's going to look like anyway. So here we'll be doing a video for y'all soon comparing the 888Rs. So these are the Proxys R888Rs. I got those new on that setup. And I have my other one, which is my drag setup, which is the Forge line wheels. And these are the Toyo Proxys RR. So this is more of a slick tire. Not good in the rain, but definitely supposed to get some grip. So I got those two mounted already. And then these are all around drag radios. I could drive in the rain with these and have no problem with them, but we're gonna be doing a video to show y'all the comparison between the R's, the street tires I got on there now, then putting on the R's, the R888Rs, and then putting on the RRs and doing draggy pulls, 3 hits on each one to see exactly what the difference is. So stay tuned. It's true, so I got the tires mounted on. I just want you to see what it looks like, man. Comment below. Look at the Toyo R's. The RRs, not the 888Rs, I got those in the back, but you got the RRs, you got the slick tire. That's all my 4-stars. And that's what she's looking like, y'all. So I don't know what y'all think or what y'all agree with. Do y'all like the way it looked? Do y'all not like the way it looked? That could be the drag setup we're gonna be running. And see if y'all opinionated, man. Come, man, what's going on?
How you doing, man?
Doing all right. I'm actually showing them on YouTube the tires we put for the drag setup, but that's our new drag, so when we go racing, we can have some grip.
Okay.
You like the way it looks?
Yes, sir.
I got the front ones too, but I put the back ones on today just to see how it actually drives, how it feels.
Okay.
Because spinning ain't winning, like we know.
That's right.
And what they cost me, they better grip.
That's right.
But you know what, y'all? This is kind of where it's at, man. I'm gonna end this video always telling y'all thank y'all for watching, man. I always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.